If your website game needs a boost, you're in luck. Get ready to set up WordPress locally with XAMPP. First, make sure your XAMPP control panel is open and both Apache and MySQL are running. Next, download the latest WordPress version from wordpress.org. Create a WordPress directory inside XAMPP's htdocs folder. Name it something cool and memorable. Unzip the WordPress files into your new folder. You'll see files like WP admin and WP content pop up. Now let's create a database for WordPress using phpMyAdmin. Head to localhost phpMyAdmin and hit New. Name your database and click Create. Time to configure WordPress. Rename wp-config-sample.php to wp-config.php and open it in a text editor. Update the database name, username, and password. Run the WordPress installation script by heading to localhost/your folder name in your browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And voila! You're now ready to build and test your WordPress site locally with XAMPP.